Hi,
Hey,
you look hungry today.
I am hungry.
Really hungry.
Very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pizza.
Pizza again.
Yes, I love pizza.
You always say pizza.
Because pizza is amazing.
Wow, strong opinion.
It's true.
What kind of pizza do you like?
Pepperoni pizza.
Classic choice.
What about you?
I love noodles.
Noodles.
Yeah, especially spicy noodles.
Oh no, I can't eat very spicy food.
Really?
My mouth cries.
Your mouth cries.
Yes, and my eyes too.
That's funny.
Spicy food is dangerous.
No, it's delicious.
Maybe for you.
What foods do you hate?
I don't like olives.
Olives.
They taste strange.
I actually like olives.
Really?
Yes, on pizza too.
No way.
Yes way.
That should be illegal.
Stop being dramatic.
I'm serious.
You are funny today.
Thank you.
So pizza is your favorite food.
Yes, 100%.
Why do you love it so much?
It's easy, warm, cheesy, and happy.
Happy.
Pizza makes people happy.
That's kind of true.
Same.
I think noodles are comforting.
Comforting is a nice word.
Yeah, it means something makes you feel relaxed and happy.
Comforting food.
Exactly.
Pizza is comforting too.
Of course you would say that.
Of course.
When do you usually eat pizza?
Friday night.
Every Friday.
Almost every Friday.
Alone.
Sometimes alone.
That sounds a little sad.
No, I watch movies too.
Oh, okay.
Pizza and movies are perfect together.
What movie do you watch?
Action movies mostly.
I prefer romantic movies.
Really?
Yes, they make me emotional.
I cry in romantic movies.
You cry.
Just a little.
That's cute.
Don't tell anyone.
Too late.
Oh no.
So what drink do you have with pizza?
Cola.
Not healthy.
I know.
You should drink water.
Water is boring.
Water is important.
You sound like my doctor.
Maybe your doctor is right.
Probably.
My favorite drink is iced tea.
Sweet iced tea.
Sometimes sweet.
Nice.
Especially with noodles.
That sounds good actually.
You should try it.
Maybe I will.
Do you cook at home?
A little.
What can you cook?
Eggs.
Only eggs.
Fried eggs, boiled eggs, egg sandwiches.
Wow, egg master.
Thank you very much.
I can cook noodles.
Of course you can.
And soup too.
That's impressive.
My mother taught me.
My mother taught me how to burn toast.
That's not a good lesson.
I know.
Do you eat healthy food?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes.
Okay's not often.
I guess that.
I love burgers too.
Ah, now I understand.
What does that mean?
You like fast food.
Fast food is delicious.
It is delicious.
See, you agree with me.
But too much fast food is bad.
Yes, I know.
You need vegetables too.
Vegetables are difficult.
Difficult.
They don't taste exciting.
You just need good cooking.
Maybe.
I love grilled vegetables.
Maybe I should try them again.
Yes, give vegetables another chance.
You sound very passionate.
I care about food.
I can see that.
Food is important.
Food brings people together.
That's true.
Families eat together.
Friends eat together.
Couples eat together.
Everyone eats together.
Food is love.
Ugh,
Did that sound romantic?
a little.
Nice.
What food reminds you of childhood?
What?
Good question, right?
Very good question.
Thank you.
My grandmother made chicken soup.
Oh, that sounds warm.
It was amazing.
Do you still eat it now?
Sometimes.
Does it feel nostalgic?
Nostalgic.
It means something reminds you of happy memories.
Yes, very nostalgic.
I love that word.
Me too now.
My grandmother made dumplings.
Homemade dumplings.
Yes,
Wow.
the kitchen smelled so good.
Food memories are powerful.
They really are.
Sometimes food can change your mood.
Definitely.
Ice cream helps me when I'm sad.
Same.
What flavor do you like?
Chocolate.
Good choice.
And you.
Vanilla.
Simple.
Classic.
Fair enough.
Do you eat dessert every day?
Not every day.
I want dessert every day.
Your dentist must love you.
Probably not.
What food do you want to try someday?
Real Italian pizza in Italy.
Wow, big dream.
Yes.
I want to try food in Korea,
Korean food looks delicious.
especially Korean noodles.
Again with noodles.
I really love noodles.
I noticed.
What's your favorite snack?
Potato chips.
Which flavor?
Cheese flavor.
Of course.
What about you?
Fruit.
Fruit is not a snack.
Yes, it is.
No snacks come in bags.
That is not true.
It feels true.
You are impossible.
Thank you.
That was not a compliment.
Oh,
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
usually.
What do you eat?
Bread and coffee.
Simple breakfast.
What about you?
Rice and eggs sometimes.
That sounds filling.
It is.
I skip breakfast sometimes.
That's not good.
I wake up late.
That's the real problem.
Maybe.
What's your favorite restaurant?
There's a small pizza shop near my house.
Is it expensive?
No, and the owner is friendly.
That's nice.
He always remembers my order.
That means you go there too much.
Maybe a little.
I like small restaurants too.
They feel comfortable.
And cozy.
Cozy is a good word.
Yes, cozy means warm and comfortable.
English has nice words.
It really does.
Sometimes I learn English with cooking videos.
That's a smart idea.
I hear real English expressions.
And you learn food vocabulary too.
Exactly.
Learning English can be fun.
It doesn't always need to feel like studying.
Right?
Conversations help a lot.
Especially natural conversations.
Like this one.
Exactly like this one.
I hope English learners enjoy it.
Me too.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Just practice every day.
Small steps are important.
Listen and repeat often.
And speak with confidence.
Even simple English is powerful.
Very true.
So before we finish,
Yes.
what are you going to eat tonight?
Pizza.
I knew it.
And you.
Spicy noodles.
Of course.
We never change.
And that's okay.
Totally okay.
Thanks for talking with me today.
Thank you too.
I'm hungry now.
Me too.
Let's go eat.
Great idea.
Bye, everyone's.
Keep practicing your English.
See you next time.
Bye.